everyone, I'm Elle, and today I'm going to share a double unboxing from Saint Laurent. So this first one I got delivered today. It's really gigantic, and I covered all my information, so hopefully that gets covered. I ordered this online a couple of days ago, and I just got it today. So I haven't ordered anything online from Saint Laurent before, so I've never seen how this was packaged. Whoa. Oh wow, okay. So here is the big giant bag that they included, and this is my receipt. Oh, this is just a little note, and this is the receipt that came with it. I'll take a look at that later. And then this thing is freaking massive. I'm trying to lift this box out of the other box. Oh wow, it came like super packaged. So let me just scoop this out of the way. Okay, so let me pull this guy off first, I think. The packaging is so nice. I haven't ordered anything from Saint Laurent in a couple of years, so this is pretty exciting. And I have gotten my other things from the department store, so I've never actually I think I ordered one thing from the store. Okay, I'm having a hard time with the struggle. So I got the ribbon off. I don't know how people make unboxings look so angelic, but ooh, okay. And it has this really nice tissue paper. And a dust bag. Okay, let's see. Ooh, you can see a little bit of her. Okay. So, I got the Rive Gauche tote in this pretty neutral color in the small size. Here's the back and the bottom, and the buttons. Let me take this guy off. Ooh, okay. I'm honestly very impressed by their packaging. And this is very pretty. It's like a textured material. And ooh, so I was at the store, and I saw the bigger version, and then I asked if there was a smaller version, and the lady told me that there was, but they didn't have it in stock at the store. So I went on my phone and ordered it online. Very pretty. Yes, this is a small size, so not the regular large one. And I really like how this has gold buttons, because I am a gold girl. And let me, ooh, okay, and then it has all of the packaging. So yeah, this is the small Rive Gauche tote in the neutral color, and I'm super excited about this. I know I just unboxed the Dior, or the, what is it called? The Dior book tote in the reverse Toit de Vie. So I can kind of compare the two. So yeah, super excited about this one. And then let me push this aside. Whoa. Okay. And then, so this order, or this second item I got on Farfetch. I already unboxed this one, but I thought I would just throw this one in to show everybody. I already started using it, but yes, it's a pair of sunglasses. And this is from the men's collection, but I really like these. And then here's the sides. I'll try to link the model of these in the description. But yeah, super excited for these. Thanks for watching my unboxing of my new tote and sunglasses, and I'll keep you guys updated about how I like it. And thank you for those who've been watching my videos and subscribing and liking and commenting. I'm really new to this whole thing, and I'm really excited that when people watch the videos, and yeah, thanks guys, bye.